welcome back to Oily Time with Jax. Last week and the week before, I ran about 11 oils in total, just to kind of let you know some basic oils and some summer oils that you guys can get familiar with and things that you can use right away. And they're really, really helpful. So what I didn't tell you, and I want to tell you this week, is that you can get all those 11 oils plus a diffuser and some extras in a premium starter kit for half price. Yes, 50% off. You're gonna want to know about that, right? So check out the 5 must-have oils and summer essential oils, and all those 11 oils are in this kit. And it is loaded. Okay, so it comes like this, and you open it up, and voila. Yeah, and you're saying, hey, I only count 10 oils. Well, you do only count 10 oils on the top, yeah? So on the bottom of this guy, there's our secret treasures. Yes, we have our 11th oil right here. And in Canada, that is Northern Lights Black Spruce, right? We've got our Thieves Hand Purification, waterless of course, non-alcohol. Sweet, and it actually works. And you get 2 packets of Ninja Red. Now Ninja Red is made with wolfberries. It's a high antioxidant drink and it gives you lots of energy and just makes you feel good all the time. Then you get some information cards, and of course if your friends are like, hey, can I try that? You got a bunch of 1 ml bottles to share with them. So there you go. We have our starter kit. And that's why I went over those 11 oils, because the starter kit is full of the first 11 oils you need to know about, right? We want to get started and feeling healthy, and we don't want to break the bank, so why not get this all for 50% off, right? So, and it also has this handy dandy little frame here that you can stand it up, and it will sit back on your shelf so you can look at all your oils and go, oh yeah, Jack said Thieves is good for a cold, or RC is good for my chest, lavender is good for a burn. I have all those right here. Yeah, they're all right here. Pretty cool, huh? Little stand. So yeah, this is a really good deal. And you say, wow, okay, what else comes with it? I'm glad you asked. So you have your choice of diffusers. And we have our Dewdrop diffuser. It goes blue. If you can see the blue, there we go. No light, and lasts about 4 hours, right? You can either have blue or no light and last about 4 hours. See, it'll shut itself off. Really good for sleep, really quiet. Can you hear that? Just slightly, yeah, pretty quiet. So this one's really good for sleep. I like to have it on with no light personally, and it shuts itself off after 4 hours after I've drifted off to sleep, right? That's one option. The second option, because you can choose your diffuser, our Desert Mist diffuser. It is really cool. Now this one, you have a choice of going between 5 and 6 hours, 7 and 8 hours, or 10 hours. Yeah, it's pretty neat. So you can have full mist, where we're going to go on, and we're going to be full mist on bright white. You can kind of see the mist right here. Then we're going to go half mist. That's going to last a little bit longer, like your 5 or 7 to 8 hours. And then we're going to do full mist, but intermittent, so it only goes every hour. Yeah. So right now you can see it's got the bright white light. I'm not a huge fan of that, but sometimes you want that on a bright sunny day. You want to be able to see it's on. So this is good. You can do half light or turn it off. You can do bright white, which is great for daytime. You can do half white, kind of a little bit better for evening. You can have fire flicker. Well, you can kind of, doesn't really pick up that well on the computer, but it's flickering like a flame. Then we can cycle through colors. Right now I've got it on red, and that will slowly cycle through 7 different colors. Here we are in kind of an orange, right? Or you can press ahead and go red, orange, yellow, just drop on any color you like, green, purple, blue, and light pinky purple, and then off. And it works in off as well. No light, meaning off. And you can keep it at full plume, half plume, or 1 minute intermittent full plume that will last you 10 hours. So these are your choices for diffusers. It's pretty cool, I would say, from good old Young Living. Another thing with diffusers is you want to make sure that it can do citrus oil without breaking down. Now, a lot of plastics will break down with a citrus oil. So you want to make sure that you're using a proprietary, well-made diffuser, right? And Young Living is proprietary plastic, so it will not break down over time with the use of citrus oils. Very important. Just like citrus can burn your skin in the sun, you got to watch the citrus oils you put on your skin in the sun. You also have to know what your diffuser is made of. We don't want it breaking down over time and getting that plastics melting into the air. Yeah? I don't have to worry about that with Young Living's diffusers. They're just well made and proprietary plastics are used, so we know it's not going to break down over time. Yeah? Okay. So there you go. You have your choice of diffusers. You have 11 oils that I went over, the 5 must-have oils and your summer essential oils. And they're all in one kit and they're half price. 50% off. No brainer. So in Canada, what that means is that whole thing comes for $199.95, and in the US, it comes for $160 even. And that's basically your exchange rate, right? So there you go. That's my spiel for this week about the oils and how you can get them, how to save money, how to get started with them, and get yourself a really good diffuser. All right. So of course, I'm going to put my website down below right here, and you guys can go there, choose become a member. There is no monthly fee. Very, very important. A lot of companies do that. No monthly fee. There's no minimum to buy. If you're going to be replenishing, we can talk about that as you go through your oils. But really, there is no monthly fee. It's fantastic. And it's a really good way to get started getting your family healthy and happy and chemical free. All right? So reach out to me with questions. Please let me know if there's anything that you want me to cover over the next couple of weeks, because I'm happy to do any kind of video, really. And ask me questions. I'll put my information down below. If you're liking what I'm doing, please hit that like button, subscribe, because you don't want to miss another video, and I will see you next week. Until then, happy oiling!